Hello everyone, today we'll do this element and how to do it. Stay with me and I will show you. So first what you will need is to warm up our hips. So I will take on my legs and start to do pliés. 4, stretch my legs. So 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that we will move over hip 1, 2, 3 and change. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. And try for this position. Stretch our legs. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's try to do the same exercise on another side. So take 1, 2, and 3. Okay, after that we will try to do our shoulder stand. I don't know how to say right, but we will try. Okay, so we will take our hand on the floor, take up our body and slowly go to this position. So good work. After that we slowly take our breath. Slowly breathe out and slide down for stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me and write me good comments. So bye bye.